Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino explaining. Hope you are fine. So you have a problem here. Given f(x) is equals to base 6x bracket 1 minus x, interval x is greater than or equals to 0 and is less than or equals to 1 and 0 elsewhere, find x. Remember x or mean. This x is the expectation of x, or sometimes we call it mean. Are we there? Find x. Hope you are ready to learn. Without wasting time, solution. So in probability and statistics, some students normally get stuck since they're confused to which one to use. I mean, they don't know or they cannot distinguish whether it is a discrete random variable or a continuous random variable. So they don't know whether to use ex is equals to integration of x of negative infinity to infinity of x fx dx, or this one ex is equals to the summation from negative infinity to infinity of x px. So they are getting confused. They don't know which one to choose, because this is for expectation of x, this was for expectation of x. So when they are presented with such a question, they are getting confused. So from today, I do believe that if you are the victim, you will get assisted after watching this video to the end. So you see, when you see these things, or you can write note, when you're presented with a question, that is having 0, this interval, are you seeing? Given that question has that interval like this, are you seeing? This is in the form, in that interval, this is a continuous. It's a continuous random variable. Are we there? And when we are given x, maybe x to be is equals to 0, 1, 2, as it continues that way, then this indicates it is a discrete random. It's a discrete random variable. So when it's a discrete random variable, when that question has something like this, you use this one. And for our case, we have this interval. Are you seeing? So it's a continuous random variable. We shall use the other one for integration. Are you seeing? So from definition, hope you're together. From definition, ex is equals to the integration from negative infinity to infinity of x fx dx. Are we there? So that ex is equals to, the interval is from 0 to 1. So 0, remember, negative infinity is the smallest value and infinity is the largest value. So our smallest value is 0, then largest value is 1. So it's integration from 0 to 1 x, then this x, then our fx, remember our fx is 6x in brackets 1 minus x. then dx. Are we there? So after that we just simplify. So it's integration from 0 to 1 of x, then we open the bracket. 6x times 1 is 6x, then 6x times x is 6, so it will be minus 6x squared dx. Are we together? So that if we multiply the whole of this with x, we get integration from 0 to 1. This is 6x times x is 6x squared minus x times 6x squared, you get 6x cubed, the whole of this dx. We can work it separately, where we have integration from 0 to 1 of 6x squared dx. Are we there? Minus integration from 0 to 1 of 6x cubed dx. Are we there? Okay. Then here we just do the ordinary integration of 6x squared. We increase the power by 1, then we divide by the answer we have found after increasing the power. So it's 2 plus 1, increase the power by 1. Remember, we increase the power by 1, so it will be 2 plus 1, 3, so that we have 6x cubed. Then we divide by that increased power, divide by 3, right there. Then it's from 1, 0. Are you there? Minus, if we integrate, we increase the power by 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we divide by the increased power, it becomes 6x 4 over 4. The limits 0, 0 to 1. This can also be written as 6x cubed over 3 minus 6x 4 over 4 this way. It's just the same thing. It's just the same thing. Are we there? So substituting in the values where there's x, we substitute with 1, then 0. We have 6 1 cubed over 3 minus 6 1 4 over 4 minus, we substitute 6 0 cubed over 3 minus 6 0 4, oh, it's my English, 6 0 4 over 4, so that we have 1 cubed is 1 times 3 times 6 is 6 over 3 minus 1/4 is 4 is 1, sorry, times 6 is 6 over 4. Then this is 0 times 0 times 6 is 0, divided by 3 is 0. Then 0 raised to power 4 is 0 times 6 is 0, divided by 4 is still 0, so that we have 6 over 3 minus 6 over 4. This is minus the whole of this minus 0, so that we have 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. It's 1.5 minus 0 remain 2 minus 1.5, so that we have our EX. So that we have our EX as 0.5, and that is the answer. Hope you have gotten what I've been talking about. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye bye.